This is Jennifer with the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth, and this is a winter weather briefing on the upcoming winter weather expected Wednesday through Thursday morning. This briefing was created on the afternoon of March 3rd, 2015. A winter weather advisory is in effect for all of North and Central Texas starting Wednesday afternoon and continuing through noon on Thursday. The different color sections on the map on your screen depict the different start times for the advisory. In general, the advisory begins at noon in our northwestern counties. It starts at 3 p.m. in our central counties, and then down in the southeast, it begins at midnight. Expected amounts through this event are for ice accumulations of up to 1/10 of an inch, sleet accumulations up to 1/2 an inch, and snowfall potential of less than 1 inch. Locally higher amounts will be possible, though, in certain areas of the region. An Arctic front will sweep across the region on Wednesday, but the cold, freezing air will lag several hours behind the leading edge of the cold front. The wintry mix is expected to begin across the area Wednesday afternoon and continuing through Thursday morning. Showers and thunderstorms are expected ahead of and immediately behind the cold front, with the changeover to a mix of freezing rain and sleet occurring as early as noon to 3 p.m. in our northwestern counties, and then continuing to trickle down to the southeast from there. By the end of the period, overnight into Thursday morning hours, some areas may see a transition over to snow as well. The graphic here depicts the best estimate of when we think the wintry mix of sleet and/or freezing rain will begin in each highlighted area. We realize that the time ranges given on this graphic are fairly broad, and we hope to continue to refine this timing over the next 18 to 24 hours as we track the colder air coming down the plains. As I mentioned, the wintry mix of sleet and/or freezing rain will continue into the overnight hours, ending on Thursday morning. The areas highlighted in purple on this image depict the highest potential for impacts due to the combination of sleet and freezing rain. Hazardous travel is likely within the purple area, predominantly across our western to central to northeastern counties. In the yellow areas, accumulations of sleet and ice are expected to be slightly lower, but impacts to travel can still be expected. And in the blue shaded area in the southeast, impacts are expected to be more localized and may be confined to bridges, overpasses, and elevated surfaces. With most of the precipitation expected to fall during the late evening and overnight hours, this will result in icy conditions for the Thursday morning commute, and the travel during that time is likely to be more hazardous than it is during the Wednesday evening hours. As the wintry mix begins across your area, remember that bridges and overpasses will be the first locations where icy spots are likely to develop, and travel should be done with caution over these areas. However, during the overnight and into the Thursday morning hours, accumulations of freezing rain and sleet can be expected even on main roadways, and travel should be taken with caution on these as well. Remember to leave plenty of distance between yourself and the car in front of you. Thank you for joining us for this winter weather briefing. For more information, we encourage you to visit our webpage located there in the middle of your screen. If you have any questions or comments, you may email our webmaster account, also located on the screen in front of you.